Hi there everyone, I am Dr. Beth Westy, women's health and hormone expert. I'm author of the books The Female Fat Solution and The Female Menopause Solution. These are on Amazon. I'm also host of the podcast The Female Health Solution. You can subscribe to that as well as my YouTube to stay updated on all the info I have coming out. We're going to be talking about electrolytes today. This is something that is really helpful to understand, especially when gals are doing a ton of hydrating. I drink so much water. I drink 1.5 gallons of water a day. Okay, well, do you still feel thirsty? Do you still feel like you're not getting that hydration? That's a problem then, right? That's a problem. So we need to address the electrolyte balance in your hydration overall. How do we do that? Making sure you're just getting some more electrolytes in. If you're going to the bathroom, if you're peeing and it's like really clear, you're not fully hydrated. If you're feeling thirsty yet you drink a lot of water, most likely you're not actually hydrating. You have to have electrolytes to upload that hydration into your cells. So, should I add in electrolytes? Essentially, the simple answer is like, yeah. Make sure you're drinking water that has minerals in it of some kind. And I just listed off some things here: sodium, magnesium, potassium. These are minerals that should naturally be in your water. You can get water that is flavored. You can get water that just naturally has it in there. Spring water naturally has minerals and things in there. That's the magic of it, right? It naturally has those things in there. It is not purified. It is not distilled. It is not removing these things from the water that should be in there. That has a huge impact on your overall body and how it gets hydration. Now, I did differentiate here between different parts of the cycle. Again, I talk about estrogen, days 1 through 14, days progesterone, days 15 through 28 of your cycle, on an average 28-day cycle. And this is just a recommendation to look at getting hydration for your body. When you're looking at this estrogen phase here, and you're looking at making sure you're getting electrolytes in, I call it a 2-to-1 ratio. 2 to 1. The 2 would be the water, like just plain water, and this would be electrolytes. Progesterone, though, you're going to look more at a 1-to-1 ratio of water versus electrolytes. So that would be any container, like any water bottle, mason jar, whatever you use to hydrate throughout the day, right? Next to my desk, I have a mason jar of water and I have a mason jar of electrolytes. And when I'm in my estrogen phase, I'll go through 2 of these and 1 of these, right? Progesterone, I alternate. 1 of water, 1 with electrolytes in it. It doesn't have to be a ton of electrolytes. It's not really heavy, but it makes a difference. If I forget to do as many electrolytes, I notice it. There's also a key thing of getting electrolytes in throughout the day. Sometimes I'm really good about doing a morning routine and getting things in and all that stuff in the morning, and then maybe throughout the day, if I'm really busy, have a lot going on, I might feel a little run down by the afternoon. Getting electrolytes in the afternoon, especially in the progesterone phase here, is a game changer for me. It helps so much making sure my body is getting enough, fluid and enough hydration uploaded. So it's a really simple, easy thing to do that helps your hydration, helps how your body functions, and helps how you feel throughout the day. Especially when it's hot, especially when you're sweating, if you're trying to do more exercise, things like that, one of the most important things your system is going to need is replenishment of minerals. Not just hydration. Remember, your body cannot actually be fully hydrated if it doesn't have minerals. If you get dehydrated, it takes up to 3 days to fully hydrate your system again. That means getting the hydration into the cells and having a cellular impact. Yay! So, one of the questions I get oftentimes when we talk about minerals and understanding hormones and everything, does it impact your hormones? Absolutely. Absolutely. Now, one of the things I love about testing hormones, and I talk about Dutch test a lot, not only making sure we're testing what's going on here with your system, but testing how your body's processing it. Your hydration is impacted by how well you can process. If you are not getting proper hydration, I see this a lot from gals. I just had one the other day where I was talking to this gal and I was like, yeah, your system's not processing things very well. It's not breaking it down. And she was like, oh, I drink so much water. I was like, you're not getting it. She's like, no, I just drink straight water. I don't drink anything else. I don't drink pop. I don't do tea. I don't do coffee, da-da-da-da-da. And I was like, yeah, that's great, but you're missing the mark. You're not getting any minerals in. Those minerals are essential. So besides getting that in and besides actually looking to see how well your body is flushing things out, which we see in a Dutch test, it also sees your nutrient and nutrient and neurotransmitter levels too, which are also impacted by your hydration. Hydration is essential and important for the body. But when it changes and you're not keeping up on keeping your body hydrated, it's really hard to catch up and stay caught up. So let me know if you guys have questions. You can always comment below this video. If you're looking at getting a Dutch test, just click the link here below and a Dutch test can be sent right to your house. Easy peasy. And then we go over your results and talk about the best next steps for you on your health journey. All right, that's what I got for you today. Thank you for tuning in, and I will see you later.